Becky's Blinds is a family-run business. Me and my husband, John, and our eldest son, Alistair, is now working with us. We have 3 or 4 members of staff that also help with the production and fitting of the blinds. There's lots of different types of blinds that people won't have seen before, and when they come in are quite amazed by A, the look of them, and B, what they do and how many different colours, variations there are of each type of blind. We are now a Luxaflex gallery dealer. Having been an Inspirations dealer for many years, we finally became a gallery dealer 7 years ago. And we have just refitted the showroom with all the new motorised blinds on the Power View system. So the Luxaflex blinds can be integrated to home automation, including Control 4, Siri, Google Home, Alexa. So you can voice control the blinds. Also, we can put them on timers through an app on your mobile phone, and you can actually control the time that the blinds go up and down at different times of the day. So if the sun only comes through in the afternoon, for example, you can set it so the blind will automatically come down to shade the room, or as an alarm clock to get the kids out of bed in the morning, or we can put them on timers for when you're not at home, the blinds are still moving, so for security reasons, that works really well for a lot of people.